What does a bull's wiener and a Ferrari have in common? One on a car guy, one on a carguy.com, and usually they have nothing in common. But today we was going to sell the Mcburnie Ferrari Daytona to somebody and get the paperwork done. And at the same time, my dad had his bull's wiener cane with him. And he likes showing people his wiener. So, there we go. At the beginning you'll see it, a bunch of other stuff. Thanks for watching. New videos every day. Make sure to subscribe. OneOwnerCarGuy.com.
See the cojones hanging over there?
How you like my cane?
Holy.
Okay. What does it do?
What does it do? Well, it used to screw cows because it's a bull's pecker. And you're holding it.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
No way.
Oh, yeah, wait.
For real?
For real.
I'm surprised we didn't. I'm surprised. Yeah, I heard you bull pecker. Right?
Oh my gosh.
See, hold it. There's a little twist on this one.
Oh my god. Oh.
They did them in epoxy or something, don't they?
I don't know.
It's so
This is so cool.
That is so huge.
Oh my god.
Car guy, OneOwnerCarGuy.com. And I am going to go get some errands done, do some things. I've got to go to the post office. 600's gone. It's on the way to Marcus. A couple more are gone here. The Excursion's going to Marcus. Been up for a month and a half or so. New inventory here. A couple others coming in, going out. Holes starting to be everywhere. Magnum's sold. Crown Vic's gone. All kinds of stuff going. I got keys made right now. I got to go get keys made. That's what I meant. Getting my apartment stuff going. I put a video up with my woman and me doing a little bit of cleanup to kind of get some stuff that was worth something out of there that hadn't already been pillaged. When I got in, I knew my key was just in the wrong position. Killed it. Something this new. It hasn't got some kind of safeguard for idiots like me, I guess. Well, I got all that done. Half an hour, and we had power. Hey, I'm a poet and know it. So like I was complaining there, I took off and getting my dental stuff and trying to finish what I need to finish and got to the... What's up?
I'm waiting for somebody from eBay to call me back. I actually talked to a lady last night and this morning, and she's trying to figure that out on the old truck. The BMW's been paid for. I was actually just getting ready to call them in a minute to make sure that there's a gate pass out there for you. And you told me to ask you again on Rose.
You didn't want to show the age-appropriate ladies your cane?
This lady? Oh, I've shown it all over.
Well, I didn't know if you'd show the age-appropriate ladies your cane. Hey, Rose? Is Rose here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's locked.
Oh, son of a gun. High security, you know?
Something like that, huh?
Yeah.
How you doing?
Great, I'm Art.
Nathan, nice to meet you.
Nathan, Art. Fred. Fred, hi, Fred. Well, Fred, I hear the car's for you.
No.
It's my dad.
And I
He
know
wanted
the
it.
background.
Oh, do you? Oh, okay, cool.
Mine has the bullhorns and stuff on it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you got your, yeah. Have him look out the gate. You got to see.
I can't
You got to
no,
see that.
I gotta take a
Hi,
picture
Rose.
of that.
I figured you'd like that. It's pretty cool, huh?
Something else. Yeah, I gotta take a picture.
How's it going? Long time no see.
Good to see. Hello, how are you, Fred?
Fred, how you doing?
Oh, good, thank you. That is too much.
If I had that in my car, I'd have it
Oh.
switched around so the horns are
My mom won't ride with him.
Get that in a poster.
Oh my God, come and take a look. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is yours, Fred? Oh, I thought it was yours. You had it.
No, it's him. Yeah, it's the same car that I drive.
I just had it reupholstered.
That's beautiful.
Wow, very nice. Very nice. Look at that.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Damn.
Beautiful.
I love those horns. That is,
It's pretty cool.
Look at the
that
back.
is,
Yeah, you guys see the back.
Look under.
He likes showing people his car.
I know. That's
holy crap.
terrible.
What
there.
kind of engine do you have in this sucker?
They light up too.
Oh,
Oh my God, look
I
at this.
don't approve of that.
And look
but
at the
I love-
cojones.
But I love this.
You see the
Well, how about
cojones
this?
hanging over there?
How you like my cane?
Holy.
Okay. What does it do?
What does it do? Well, it used to screw cows because it's a bull's pecker. And you're holding it.
Hmm.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
No way.
Yeah, wait.
For real?
For real?
I'm surprised we didn't.
What is this?
I'm surprised. Yeah, I heard you pulled pecker.
Oh my gosh!
There's a little twist on this one.
Oh my god! Oh.
They dip them in epoxy or something, don't they?
I don't know.
Yeah.
That's so
This is so cool.
That is so huge.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna take a picture for the guy.
Oh my god! I gotta take a picture. I gotta take a picture. I know, Brent. Oh, don't ever say looking back. It's terrible.
Well, if you're holding it, you're moving it.
Yeah, well, there you
There you
go.
go.
Oh my god.
You want me to back it out?
We can back it out.
This guy will be happy. Just he knows what it looks like. He's like, Nathan, can you just send me a picture? I want to see it. In...
Plenty of pictures on my phone. If you want, I can forward them.
I've got 140 pictures of it. He's just so anxious. He's been waiting and he can't wait to get it.
How's your daughter? How's she doing?
Have you drove this thing around?
I just drove it today. Started up.
It's a nice little car.
Around and.
Oh,
It's a nice little car.
Oh, it's nice. It's not for. That's why I was joking about with your dad. I mean, it's not your dad's car.
Everybody,
Just about can get in. I'm little.
it's hard. It's hard to get in. It's no joke. But I'll tell you what, everybody wants to talk to you about it.
Oh yeah. Rose and I have been out and roaring down the street. It's really. We don't go too far, but I just want to keep it going.
Well, I remember after Paul got it, he told me they took it down to Ensenada. I went, you're crazy driving that thing down there. Oh no, it's no big deal. You're crazy, I told him. There's no way, man. That's
And
cool.
It sounds great. It really sounds great.
I got another one that the guy sold me. It was
And the
given
keys are. There's
as
like
a Christmas present
I think
to the
4
superintendent
complete
of
sets of
the
keys. So there's a
Railroad
key
of Montana.
to the gas, a key to the little boot compartment, and ignition key. So there's all these keys.
It'll start now, right?
Yeah, let me start it up.
Nobody else carries a pocket watch anymore.
No.
I don't want to get in the
I know, no, nothing, just a
I'm in
phone,
the
you
witness
know?
protection program.
He doesn't even carry a phone, I mean, a watch or anything.
Nobody does anymore. Well, it's easier to look here, but that's
Okay, he's gonna make a video of it. I'm gonna make a video of it for you. He's gonna start it, but he don't want to be in the video, so I'm gonna.
Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna get a video of it starting up, and
You
this is.
already had a video, remember?
Dude,
how
awesome.
nice that
Yeah,
video was?
they love it. The guy loves it. He can't wait to get it.
It's really,
No, it's okay.
it was really a nice
Yeah, buddy. And they just headed out for a drive today, and now it is. So it's on the way, getting the paperwork today, and it'll be on the truck here, and whenever you get your truck down here. There's your video.
That's it? Oh, I
I'm
thought it was
just
gonna be-
making a quick one. No, that's perfect. I just made a quick one to where I could send it to him because he's hopping to see it. He can't wait.
Like I said, it's got all these keys there, but
Yeah.
it's got like.
It'll probably be like a week or two
Okay.
before they send the truck. And I'll get you them. I'll get you everything now here.
Oh, okay.
Do you have a pen? You
Yeah.
do have a
Been
pen.
going to the house.
Yeah, we can go in the house.
Okay.
Go.
Ah.
The cat's
Hey, you didn't bring Breeder.
No, she's at my woman's house up in Ventura.
Aww. Okay, come on in, sit down.
Oh my.
You call them your woman's house.
I guess. Is that bad?
I don't know, it just sounds funny.
That's what you say?
Yeah,
It's up at my woman's house.
woman's house.
No, it's
Yeah.
at my girlfriend's house, at my gal's house.
Does that sound ruder than girlfriend?
My woman, yeah, it kind of sounds like, I don't know.
To me, it sounds a little bit more serious. Like, that's my woman.
Yeah.
Really?
It's not my girlfriend. That's my woman.
Yeah, I think there's
Really?
nothing wrong with it.
But I do see how nowadays it's a little bit
Now,
probably
yeah.
sensitive.
I
And,
don't know.
It's like, yeah, give it to one of the girls in the other office. It's like a girl.
oh, yeah, don't say that.
Oh.
I got a conflicting thought here, though.
What's that?
When you're only stinking 45, wouldn't girlfriend be more, appropriate for you?
Yeah.
You might say
Because you're married.
significant.
Yeah, right.
Significant other.
You don't
Oh,
fall.
as is no warranty and everything here.
Okay, I had this guy sign all the paper stuff like I would do as my dealership to where he knows that the transmission could go out.
I told her 2 words you have to remember.
Oh,
as
As
is.
is, yeah. Probably did you do an on-op on it or? is there
Oh,
some-
well, yeah, I did. Why did you?
Well,
I wouldn't take it off your insurance until it's until he gets it.
Yeah.
In case it falls off a trailer or something. They got insurance, but I'd rather them call your insurance if something happens with it. Well, once his guy picks it up, it's over.
You probably got a renewal.
Well, that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Make sure to subscribe. Lots of videos all the time, new videos every day. OneOwnerCarGuy.com. Thanks for watching.